Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to set power and sleep button controls in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To choose what happens when you interact with your device's physical controls, follow these steps. Press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the System option. Within the System menu, click on the Power and Sleep option. Within the Power and Sleep menu, click on the Additional Power Settings link on the right side. Click on Choose what the power buttons do under Power and Sleep button settings. For pressing the power button, choose from the drop-down menu, Shut Down, Turn Off Display, Hibernate, Sleep, or Do Nothing. For pressing the Sleep button, choose from the drop-down menu, Shut Down, Turn Off Display, Hibernate, Sleep, or Do Nothing. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.